Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TRIBIT StormBox 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not pairing with your Bluetooth phone or other device, or if it's not connecting to your phone or anything like that, if it's not responding, keeps disconnecting, all those kind of bugs like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, if you decide you just want to get a new speaker because this is not working, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe all of the pairing information off of here so that you can set this up like you're just setting this speaker up as it's a brand new speaker somewhere. This will work for both of those things. So anyways, it's really easy to do. All we need to do is come in and find the plus and the minus button, which are real easy to find on here, or the volume up, volume down. We're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, we can release it, and that will cause the speaker to reset to its factory default settings, and then we can go ahead and just set it up like it's just coming out of the box new.